Hey, what's up guys? iTech411 here, my full review of a couple of external batteries from Poweradd. Now this may just look like regular external batteries, but these are two of my favorite external batteries I've ever reviewed. So I'm going to go ahead and go in depth with both of those, and I'll tell you why each are the favorite for the two ones I've used. Now the first one is a 2600 milliamp external battery, and this happens to be the cheapest one I've ever reviewed, coming in around $12.99, which you find the link in the description. One of the things I really like about it is the colors. You can see this one is a white and blue, but it also comes in numerous other cool colors, so really you can be pretty selective with what color you want. Now the second thing I really like about it is the shape. You can see this isn't a standard circular shape, it is actually hexagonal. That means if you set it on a desk, it will roll a little bit, but it will eventually come to a stop. And you can also set it on the top or bottom, so it's really good for sitting on a desk, and it's really convenient in that matter. So it's really different than other ones. Instead of rolling around all the time, it will stay still on your desk. The next thing I really like about this is the texture. So instead of a lot of the highly glossy and kind of texture and you get a lot of fingerprints, this is kind of a matte, hard plastic, which is really nice. It doesn't get scratches or fingerprints, or doesn't even really get dirty. I really like the texture of this, and I think they did a great job. Now the next thing I really like is what you see right here, and this is actually a USB powered flashlight. So you go ahead and plug this into the external battery, and then you hold down the button for about 4 seconds, and it will turn on, and it's actually a very bright flashlight. Now this is different than anything I've ever seen before, and this is actually included with the packaging, which makes this $12.99 price even better. So it's really cool, and it definitely gets very bright, and all you have to do is plug it into the external battery, hold down the button, and it will start glowing. Turn it off, you just do the same thing, you just hold down the button. I really think this is something really cool. Now a lot of external batteries have flashlights built in, but they're not very bright, and this one is definitely super bright. So I really do like this aspect, and I think they did a great job. Now the next external battery I have for you is this Poweradd 7200 milliamp external battery. Now from the outside, this may look just like your average external battery, and it's actually pretty big. It's definitely bigger than even a 10,000 milliamp external battery I have, but there's a reason for that, which I'll get into in just a second. So from the outside, you can tell this is orange and black, and it does look pretty big, and it's a single powered USB device. Now what you see, which makes this pretty cool, and why it is so big, is what you see right here, and it is actually solar panels. So that means you can charge this with light. As you see, when I turn it towards my lamp, it will start charging. As you see, the LED indicator lights on the bottom start going up, and then when I turn it around so it's not facing light, it will stop charging. So here you can see that it did stop charging, and I turn back to the light, it will start charging again. So I'll show you that again, and it is really cool. So theoretically, you would never need to charge this without a USB power source, so you could take this out camping and use it infinitely just by charging it with the sun or any light source. Now this is also pretty rugged, and you see it comes with a little key or a lanyard spot right there, and it does look pretty hard all the way around. It's made with nice durable plastic, so I think this would be great for hiking, especially with the solar panels built in. Now for the one thing I didn't like is that it's only single powered USB, which for 7200 milliamp I'd kind of hope for 2 USB ports, but not that big of an issue. Another thing is that in a couple spots it looks like there's a little bit of cracks in it, so it's not sealed 100%, so a little bit of water could get in there, but apart from that, it is an awesome external battery. I definitely think you should invest in this. And you see also with this you get USB cable, 30-pin micro USB, and mini USB cables, so you have the right adapters for all of your device's needs. So overall, I love these products. These are my favorite 2 external batteries, one full of solar power and one for the small size and affordable price of the other external battery. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter, like this video, and subscribe. And I'll see you later.